conditions worsens, vehicles continues to face difficulty. "58 Congress families joined BJP in Hawarkihat." Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. The construction firm which has been handling the work of repairing the NH36 is taking too long time for completing the work. The result is seen in more vehicles facing difficulty in movement. Here is the latest report of the road condition. Anupam Nirman Private Limited, the firm who had obtained the work, is going too much delay in completing the work. They have been time and again approached by several organizations to hasten the work, but till now there is no sign of early completion. Several news reports have been published and printed as well as digital platforms, but there is no impact on the company, who have remained passive to the people's cry. Due to the pathetic condition of road, several vehicles have met with an accident, and many a time the road has been blocked for hours. On Monday as well, heavy rains made the road condition worse and vehicles got stuck in the potholes at Rongplim. Owing to this, the road was blocked and vehicular movement was disrupted. People going for work had to return home as the road could not be cleared early.
Lagi tuar ke no to ini si piku agari ta separum ide lo pas atun si tame bola po gari hupu sang ko lo po gari tame dak sang nang ko lo se hupu passenger tu si damnang lo ke pen la hupu passenger hupu ke damnang
non nili karja lage national 36 highway along lo lapin ke lade apong lo je labang so to war kahin lo lapin ke kahin lo pik pe na jo lada kaching koi da me apong lo lapin ke the work kacileng ni kacidam ni sitami bina ara tun kisin dicanang lo ni jong sitami ladak Rongplim long Rongplim mahawar long labangsu towe patumi ani kamsa mapor pen lo ladak gari ki jang isi unden isi jang ko aku ladak JCB ben amina atang la pen pangdoi thuko aku jang thuko lason di cibin me no sitami
Public are disappointed with the problems they are facing and had urged upon the contractors to hasten the work. Vijay Rongpi's report from Delhi for Karbi Anglong Live. With the Bharatiya Janata Party dominating headlines, at least 58 families from Congress marched with the Saffron Party at a meeting held on Sunday in Hawarkihat. The BJP party joining program was held at Namkhar in Dumukhi Dighalpani Satnami village. The program was chaired by Amrit Lal Satnami and was assisted by Hawarkihat BJP Mandal Secretary Ganesh Inki, who introduced chief guest of the meeting EM Khonsing Rongpi, Hawarkihat LEMS Chairman Dhoniram Kro, VDC Chairman Jisu Kemprai, HMB Chairman Pratap Hendik, Hawarkihat BJP Mandal President Ramayan Chauhan. Speaking at the meeting as chief guest, EM Rongpi said that the Hill district had remained backward under the 15 years of the Congress. EM Rongpi said that Hill district had made a big leap on development and is still continuing the momentum. He also congratulated the new members who joined the party and lauded them, stating that they all had taken the right decision at the right time.
Dumukhi Dighalpani Satnami gaon PS committee অন্তর্গত মিটিং আমি আয়োজন কৰিছোঁ। বহুত দিনৰ পৰা এখন গাঁৱে আমাক মাতি আছিলে যে ইয়াত আমি কংগ্ৰেছৰ লগত নাথাকোঁ, আমি বিজেপিৰ লগতে যাম। বিজেপিয়ে যিহেতু ৰাইজৰ কাৰণে বহুতো আঁচনি আৰু লগতে সুবিধাবিলাক কৰি দিছিল, আৰু বিশেষকৈ এখন গাঁৱত মানে এই ৰাস্তাটো মানে একেবাৰে জৰাজীৰ্ণ আছিল। খৰচিংজিয়ে 15 বছৰ অৰ্থাৎ 35 বছৰ এই হাওড়াঘাটবাসী ৰাইজে তেখেতক প্ৰতিনিধিত্ব দিছিলে, দায়িত্ব দিছিলে। তেখেতে এইবিলাক এই ৰাস্তা পদূলিবিলাক একেবাৰে চোৱা নাছিলে। আমি আমাৰ চৰকাৰ আহি পেভাৰ্ছ ব্লক এটা ৰাস্তা দিছে, কিন্তু ৰাস্তা মানে ৰাইজে মানে বহুতে ভাল পাইছে।
Harsing Rongpi's report from Hawarkihat for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break. Humridam ikha. Dipu rong supialong kicheng sik mate non hedjong kangpumi the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers akularalong nanglitum anam ki jongpen blanket mate kachiomapik kachin thanga peri osomar aperi karbia pindeng peseleng pini pekok lapen kaprek aperi ke chogabar sai long ikji lapen nanglitum jongsi akularalong kedam japhan apordu redat pusitami matha ikri bangso akularalong pen ke thon ke banabar sai setami long ikji Lasi Humridam ikha the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers along. Adim lake Dipu Ronghelan Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Adum. Welcome back after the break. With election for State Assembly round the corners, meeting have picked up pace in the Hill district of Karbi Anglong. The ruling Bharatiya Janata Party of the Havarkihat BJP T Morcha convened a meeting on Monday during several matters were discussed. With eyes on the upcoming MLA election scheduled to be held next year, an important meeting of the 10th Havarkihat BJP T Morcha was held on Monday. The meeting was chaired by Havarkihat Morcha President Bhorat Konwar and was attended by nominated MEC Baburam Kisko, State in charge Karbi Anglong Mohila Moina Sahu, Pratap Hendik, Havarkihat BJP Mandal President Ramayan Chauhan among others. She also asked party members to continue working as per the directions of the party. Addressing the party meeting, State in charge KA Mohila Moina Sahu expressed her confidence of party victory in the MLA election. She urged upon party members and supporters to not be worried by opposition parties as stating that they are very strong. Later, after the meeting, she expressed her happiness on being able to attend the meeting and discuss about party's matters.
আমি 8 তারিখের পরে আমার এই সামোচার দিয়ে আমার ডিস্ট্রিক্ট কমিটির আমার এই সর্বন তেলেঙ্গা আমার প্রভারী বাইদেউ মীনা সাহর গতিকে যিখিনি অঞ্চল আমি ঘূৰিলোঁ আৰু ঘূৰি আহি আজি আমি এই আজিৰ তাৰিখত আজি ইয়াত আমি হাওৰাঘাটত উপস্থিত হৈছোঁ।
Harsing Rongpi's report from Havarkihat for Karbi Anglong Live. A Dao and Spade distribution cum farmers awareness program was held at Sarthe Terang village under the Deopani constituency. The program was organized by Superintendent of Sericulture Dipu in collaboration with the Karbi Farmers Association at Deopani High School here on Monday. The program was led by KFA Head Branch and was attended by Sericulture Department Demonstrator Ratul Mahanta, GB Bapuram Singnar, GB Soto Singnar, KFA CEC President Tinku Ingti, Vice President Robinson Teron, Secretary Soron Singh Rongpi, Publicity Secretary Har Singh Rongpi, Khoya Singh Hanse, Sarthe Teron among others. During the program, the resource persons explained on the several information related to Eri silkworm rearing. He also stressed that Eri silkworm rearing is very rewarding and a farmer could support family if it is reared as per the various methods are adopted. Speaking at the event, KFA President Tinku Ingti urged upon farmers of the area to adopt scientific methods in their various farming activities, stating that they could support their family if they work according to the valuable instructions shared by resource persons. Later at the program, the organizers distributed machete and spat to the farmers participants who attended the program. News X report, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.